In this video, I will show you how you can use an affiliate website to make money online with affiliate marketing and free traffic sources. What's up, marketers? Amar here, and here is the most used model to make money online with affiliate marketing. I don't believe that doing affiliate marketing without a website is an effective method. So before I jump into the details, this will be a 3 or 4 videos tutorial, so please check the videos below this one or in the description of this one for the rest of the tutorial. And also, please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel. It will be a great support and I thank you very much. In my opinion, when someone is serious about making money online with affiliate marketing, he needs to build a website for himself and for many reasons. The first one being having a presence online, branding himself and his products or services, use the website to drive SEO traffic to his offers and affiliate offers, sell his products, publish product reviews, publish product comparison, publish top 3s, top 10s, collect emails to build an email list, and so on. Now, lots of the tools and the website builders that are heavily promoted out there, and they can allow you to create such websites. And these tools like ClickFunnels, Builderall, Kartra, Groove Pages, Infusionsoft, Lead Pages, and others. But the thing is that they are expensive for someone who is a beginner and or on a budget, and who does not have his own products to market. I think that these tools are good for the big players who already have a market and also they have a big following. But for someone that is just starting out, there are a few alternatives that can be like self-hosted WordPress website or free website builders like Wix, WordPress.org, Blogger.com, and so on. Actually, WordPress and some free plugins will allow you to create professional landing pages, squeeze pages, sales pages, bonus pages, you name it. WordPress is very easy to learn and there are thousands of tutorials out there to teach you all you need to learn about it. So, in my opinion, in the make money online niche, doing affiliate marketing the right way starts with a good website where people can learn about your work, your methods, and also about what you have to offer or recommend. So if you don't already have an affiliate website, you might need to consider having one. So here is an example. This website has a few pages in it and each page has a mission. For example, this home page here is the one that will collect email addresses, puts them in the autoresponder, which will follow up with the prospects later. Downloads. This one is offering free downloads which will build your list as well. And contact, this is the page where people can contact the website owner to ask him questions or to do business with him. Now the design is very simple and conversion driven. There is a small headline here, or header if you want. There is a menu on the top where people can navigate in the website. There is a big headline and a subheadline and a call to action to build an email list. There are a few downloads at the bottom and there is a large footer at the very bottom of the page. So when people land on your website, they need to be able to stay on it and see what is in it for them. So always provide good quality content. That is the most important thing. For example, if you take them to the tools, you can provide the tools that you're using and you can talk about the tools, the benefits of those tools you are using and how they can benefit the others as well. Now, once you have your affiliate website up and running, you can now start driving traffic to it. And for this, let me tell you that there are lots of strategies, but the most important one when you are just starting out is content marketing. That is to build a reputation on multiple huge platforms that can send you thousands of visitors. If you provide good content out there on the platforms like Reddit, Quora, YouTube, Medium, Facebook groups, and forums, you will receive a lots of traffic to your website. And all these platforms are free to join and use. So to recap this, have your own affiliate website, publish quality content on your website, offer premium freebies and lead magnets on your website to build your list, target specific keywords when publishing to receive free traffic from search engines, build a reputation on the biggest platforms out there like YouTube, Quora, Medium, etc. Update and adjust your website to get better results, and always keep working on driving traffic. In the videos below, I will go more in depth about driving traffic from each platform of these. And so please check the videos below this one or in the description, and don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and or drop a comment. I will really appreciate, and thank you very much for watching. Cheers.